Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of us have wondered about: waxing versus shaving, especially for our beautiful mature skin. I put both to the test, and let me tell you, the results were not what I expected. One method truly shocked me, and I can't wait to share every detail with you in glorious 4K. For years, I was a die-hard shaver. It was quick, easy, and just part of my routine. But I always struggled with that persistent stubble that seemed to reappear within a day, not to mention the occasional razor burn and those annoying little bumps. I kept hearing whispers about the incredible, long-lasting smoothness of waxing, but honestly, I was a little intimidated. The pain, the process, the potential for a sticky mess, It all seemed like a lot. But my curiosity finally got the best of me. I wanted that radiant, smooth like glass skin you see everywhere. So, I decided to conduct a little experiment. I shaved one side and waxed the other. My goal was to see which method gave my mature skin that coveted glow, which one lasted longer, and which one was genuinely worth the effort. Stick around, because the side-by-side comparison is pretty eye-opening. Let's start with shaving, my old familiar friend. The process is straightforward, right? A little shaving cream, a fresh razor, and you're good to go. It's fast and convenient for a quick touch-up, but here's the thing I've noticed more as my skin has matured. The day after, the stubble is already back. It's prickly, and my skin doesn't feel truly smooth. Shaving only cuts the hair at the surface, which is why it grows back so quickly and often feels coarse. Plus, I've found that no matter how careful I am, I'm prone to nicks and irritation, which is the last thing I want. Now, let's talk about the challenger: waxing. I decided to try an at-home waxing kit designed for sensitive skin. I'll be honest, my first thought was, this is going to hurt. I followed the instructions carefully, warming the wax, applying it in the direction of hair growth, and taking a deep breath before pulling the strip off. Was there a momentary sting? Yes, absolutely. But what shocked me was how quickly it faded. And the result: instantly, unbelievably smooth skin. The real magic of waxing, and what truly blew me away, is that it removes hair from the root. This means the hair takes much longer to grow back. I'm talking weeks, not days. And when it does grow back, it's often finer and softer. There's no prickly stubble phase. But the biggest surprise for me was the exfoliation benefit. Waxing removes the hair and a layer of dead skin cells. This is the secret to that incredible glow everyone talks about. My skin on the waxed side looked instantly brighter, more radiant, and felt smoother than it has in years. It was a total skin transformation in one go. So let's do a direct comparison. On the shaved side, within 24 hours, I could feel the stubble. The skin was okay, but it didn't have that luminous quality. On the waxed side, it was a completely different story. Day after day, it remained perfectly smooth. Weeks went by, and the smoothness held up. The skin looked healthier, more polished, and just felt incredible to the touch. This wasn't just about hair removal, it was a full-on skin treatment. The difference, especially up close, in 4K, was undeniable. Now, I know many of you might be thinking about the pain factor. Let me give you a few tips that made a huge difference for me. First, make sure your hair is the right length. About 1/4 of an inch is perfect. If it's too short, the wax won't grab it. If it's too long, it can be more painful, so trim it down first. Second, exfoliate gently a day or two, before you wax. This helps prevent ingrown hairs. Third, hold your skin taut when you pull the strip. This little trick minimizes the discomfort significantly. And finally, breathe. Take a deep breath in, and pull as you exhale. It really helps. After my experiment, I have to say I'm a total waxing convert. The longevity, the smoothness, and that unexpected exfoliation benefit that gives your skin an amazing glow are just unbeatable. For mature skin, which can sometimes be a bit dull, this gentle exfoliation is a game changer. It revealed a brighter, more youthful-looking layer of skin that shaving just can't achieve. I finally understand the hype. It's not just about being hair-free. It's about the confidence that comes with having incredibly smooth, radiant skin. So, what's the final verdict? While shaving has its place for a quick fix, if you're looking for long-lasting results and a serious skin glow-up, waxing is the clear winner for me. It has completely changed my body care routine. I'll never go back to daily shaving. The initial effort of waxing is so worth it for weeks of carefree, beautiful skin. It has boosted my confidence in a way I didn't expect. Have you tried waxing? Are you team shave or team wax? Let me know your experiences and any tips you have in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. If you found this video helpful and want to see more honest reviews and mature skin tips, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.